Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and most importantly, as you saw in the thumbnail of this video, is this another parabolic move, or is this going to be a blow off top? So we'll take a look at all of that in this video. As you can see, it's mostly semiconductors that have been stretching higher. Nvidia, AMD, ARM is wow, yeah. And SMC, I'll talk about these individually as well throughout the day. But then rest of the market is okay, choppy, but that you can see over here, like QQ is staying up there due to Nvidia and semiconductors, and so is SPY, right? I'll talk about these in just a second, but yeah, so seems like market all in all is a little bit starting to look into going into distribution phase, but semiconductors are still going strong. So, but let's talk about Nvidia here. And in the technicals, is this a parabolic move, which are usually just rallying up, right? Like straight line up, or this is going to be a blow off top and we would just sell off, right? So let's take a look at all of that once I let you know. None of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes, all right? So I couldn't find anything special that why Nvidia is rallying up today. I don't see anything that tells me that, oh, this is the reason that semiconductors are up. That's where it just starts to get a little bit dicey as well. But anyways, let's talk through the technicals here. So again, like guys, we have been in an uptrend, no complaints about it. Like I can show you my swing bot here, like that is on Nvidia is in amazing profits right now. So if I turn that on, you can see, yeah, this thing, the last buy position was where at 949, and these S1, S2, S3 that you are seeing, these are take partial profits positions. So you can see our closed PNL on this current position is already 4,600, and open PNL on this thing that is still running at 8,600. So yeah, 8,000 plus. So all in all, this position is already in a $10,000 profits. Anyways, just wanted to show you that. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right. So yeah, let's turn that thing off. And yeah, so guys, as you can see on daily interval, as you can see on daily interval, we are still bullish. I mean, there is no sign of, cool off. I mean, I don't even have to stay on daily interval here. It's apparent. I don't even have to say anything, right? It's bullish. But is it a blow off top? Well, this one candle doesn't tell that, and I'm not even seeing anything in this candle that tells me that this is the top. I'm not seeing any of that, right? And this is what I have been saying from here, guys. This is just in an uptrend. This is just in an uptrend. Even my swing pot has been just going up and up, making money, right? Let's go to the, oh, not 5 minutes, sorry. Let's go to the 4 hours, 1 hour interval, and let's start off there to talk more about the price action as what would constitutes the continuation to the upside, which in this case will be parabolic move, or where would that sell-off be? Now, when I see something just rallying up with this and is only the thing holding market up, right, while other stocks are a little bit, weakening, that does raise some concern that is this going to turn out a top, right, blow off top. So though, well, right now Nvidia hasn't lost any bullish pivot as well. You can see we gapped up today, came back down, I mean 1085, right? Like we are still above 20 hours moving average. So Nvidia has a good support right now at $1,100, 1,107 to be precise, okay? As long as Nvidia is not losing that level, this is still just plain bullish. It is still in an uptrend. Nothing changes on this. If we lose 1,107, then we can possibly come to 1,085, but that will just be a pullback. So yeah, Nvidia is that bullish right now. If we lose 1,085, that will spark some red flags, at least for a little bit, couple of days of cool off. But otherwise, no. If Nvidia can maintain its, well, parabolic move continues, not breaking a level, even a level. So if Nvidia wants to continue in this parabolic move, 1,107 needs to hold, and we just need to keep breaking level above and it's just going to continue higher and higher. Uh, Parabolic move may start a little bit look slowing down if we break 1107. That will only bring you to 1085. This is still very strong. That will just lead it either into the distribution phase or just going to be just a pullback or upside. But for weakness will only start to show up at this point if we lose 1085. Otherwise, no, this thing can still run up. Like you can see on 5 minutes here. And this is where I'm just saying that just be a little bit cautious here, okay? And the reason I'm saying that to be just a little bit cautious here is for the reason that, guys, the when we have such a gap up and just things when they start to get a little bit slowing down here, it's good to be cautious, okay? Because, and let me just something here on my indicator. I think I have to do it high. Yeah, it's good to be a little bit cautious because you just don't know that, again, without anything, right, without news or anything, it's going up, right? So it's good to be cautious, but again, technically just work with the level. As I said, Nvidia is still full on bullish, but yeah, even if one level loses, it's not going to just become right away bearish. Intraday, yeah, intraday cool off may be traded, but right now price action is bullish. So it all comes down to this level. If it wants to stay parabolic 1107, or it's going to a little bit cool off, but it's still not going to be bearish. Even if it comes down to 1085, that will constitute just a pullback, and intraday it will still remain bullish. And below that, maybe some weakness will come, but this is still very, very strong right now. So yeah, that's that. Now I want to talk a little bit about QQ and SPY as well, because we can see that I'll talk about AMD in another separate video, guys. But QQ, let's take a look at that. So what am I seeing here? I'm seeing that this red candle that we got 2 trading days ago, that's a strong bearish candle. So to constitute this into turning into a distribution phase, technically I said that one candle is not going to change anything. We are still bullish. We didn't even lose a level of 454. Same thing applies. If you're not losing 454 still, this can still remain bullish. But if we fail to go above 460, this might start to enter in a distribution phase. But there is no sign of downside right now. We haven't even broken a single structure. QQQ can still remain bullish even until coming down to 449. And that will just be a pullback and a potential support on this thing, okay? And then let's take a look at SPY. So SPY is a little bit, looks like it wants to go in distribution phase with that red candle. So time to take, this is the time to take profits, not a new position, but SPY looks like, yeah, it's going into distribution phase, but it's not bearish right now. That will be below 524, at least a start of that. Intraday, yeah, you can trade however you like with the levels, but the structure all in all is still holding strong up there. But looks like this may be a distribution phase. Again, confirmation is not there yet. We haven't even closed below 524. So that's that. All right, well, that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.